The witnesses of Mukroh incident, MDC of Barato, Mukroh I Borlang Shadab and Headman H. Sumer were cross-examined by the Assam councils in the city on Friday during the hearing of one-man inquiry commission headed by Justice Retired T. Vaipai. The remaining witness, Bikram D. Marak, a senior police official, will be cross-examined on October 6. Bikram was the SP, West Giant Hills, when the Mukroh firing incident took place, in which 5 persons, including an Assam forest guard, were killed on November 22nd last year. Later speaking to reporters, Vaipai said that he will visit Mukroh after the hearing in October.
We'll have another cross-examination on 6 October at 11:30 a.m. The ASP, West Khasi Hills, V. Marak, will be cross-examined on that day. And after that, we'll pay a visit to the place of occurrence to familiarize myself with the topography.